Did you know that the travel industry is a $2.3 billion industry in 2023? And one of the best ways to take advantage of this industry is with affiliate marketing. And one of the best affiliate programs out there is the Expedia affiliate program. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to take a look at 10 different ways that you can make money online promoting the Expedia affiliate program. We're going to talk about how you can get started, the commission structure, and all of the different opportunities out there. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn the best ways to make money with the Expedia affiliate program. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. So we're going to do a couple things today. We are going to take a look at the Expedia affiliate program. We're going to take a look at the commission structure and all of the different opportunities out there. So let's go ahead and get right into it. If we take a look at my screen here, first things first, as you can see, the travel industry is a $2.3 trillion industry as of 2023, and that number is only expected to increase because people are itching to get back out into the world post-COVID. So what we're going to do first thing is let's take a look at Expedia. As you can see here, affiliates.expediagroup.com will take you right over to this affiliate program. And the cool thing is if you apply to the Expedia affiliate program, you'll actually have access to hotels.com, Vrbo, as well as other opportunities. If we take a look here, you can see there are over 3 million properties that you can promote, thousands of car rentals, lots of opportunity. All right, so if we take a look at the commission structure and the cookie window, you can see you can make up to 8%, but this really all depends on where you're promoting. For example, in the US, you can make a 3% promoting hotels and 6% for cruises. But if we look in Germany, the cookie window is 30 days, which is a very good length of time, and the commission is 8% for hotels. So what you want to do is you want to first identify your target audience and identify your niche. Most likely you are targeting people that live in the US, and so you are going to earn a 3% commission on hotels and 6% on cruises. What you will need to do is obviously click on sign up, follow the process. It's going to recommend that you have a website. If you don't have a website, click the second link in the description and you'll go ahead and you'll get access to my #1 recommended web hosting provider. It doesn't say how many web pages or blog posts you need, but it's always good to have your own base of operation. So now that we have the background out of the way, let's take a look at a few different ways that you could promote the Expedia affiliate program. One of my favorite ways to get started is simply with best places to eat. Now, the only people that look up best places to eat are people that are going to a different location. Maybe you're going to visit relatives in Nashville, Tennessee, for example, and you want a few different places to eat. If we take a look here, you can see that people are searching this 694,000 times every single month, and there are over 42,000 keywords. Now, you could start a blog if you wanted to. You could even do this with a YouTube video. Simply, you are going to copy this, for example, best places to eat in Charleston, South Carolina, and we could go over to YouTube like this. And we are simply going to paste in best places to eat in Charleston, South Carolina. And if you take a look here, 10 best restaurants in Charleston, South Carolina. This channel only has 1.1 thousand subscribers, but 15,000 views from a year ago. In fact, this person is just using B-roll. They've gone and grabbed images from somewhere and they're placing it. This is only a 2-minute video, 2-minute 30-second video, but you can do this. This is actually really easy. If we scroll down, you can see Trip Companion is doing the exact same thing. Only 236 subscribers from 5 months ago, but this video has 3.7 thousand views. Now, one of the cool things that you can do to make this easy on yourself is go to Google, paste in best places to eat in Charleston, South Carolina, and there are a number of websites that have done the legwork for you. Simply turn these blog posts, make sure that you are adding value to them. Don't just steal their content, but you can use the assistance of ChatGPT, as you can see on the right side of my screen here, that actually has some suggestions that we could do this with, or you could actually look through these blog posts and make sure that you are making unique original content. But this is one of one of the fun ways. You simply will help people find the best places to eat. After best places to eat, we can also do hotels near. Now, this is a really big one. Once again, if people are looking up hotels near different locations, they're probably going on a trip somewhere. And if we look here, this is searched 7.5 million times per month. There are over 642,000 keywords. Now, again, we can do hotels near Miami Airport. Copy this. We can paste this right into YouTube, or you could do this with a blog post. We're going to paste this in just like that, hit enter, and you're going to see Miami Airport Marriott pops up number one. This person only has 1.3 thousand subscribers, but 2.1 thousand views. And you're simply going to create content with the best hotels near Miami Airport, and then you can say, hey, look, if you want to book your hotel, simply click the link below and it will be your affiliate link that goes over to Expedia. One of the best ways to get up and running, but you can see that this works. If we scroll down, 5 top Miami cruise port hotels, 14,000 views, 2.9 thousand subscribers. You can do this. You don't have to be a large YouTuber. You don't have to be a large TikToker. You simply will create content based on what people want to know. Now I'm going to take this keyword and I'm going to paste it right into TikTok as well to see if something pops up. The top result, how I spent 15 hours in Miami, my favorite hotel in Miami. These are all getting thousands of views. So you could start something over on TikTok as well and repurpose these with YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels and Pinterest Pins. Speaking of Pinterest, one great way to get in front of a highly targeted traffic is simply to create Pinterest pins. I just typed in vacation and you can see that there are tons of pins in vacation. Now, what I recommend that you do, if you're going to use Pinterest, you want to make sure that you are sending your pins to a landing page, a blog post, or a YouTube channel. You do not want to put your affiliate links in Pinterest pins for a number of reasons. One, Pinterest is not a huge fan of affiliate marketing. Number two, and more importantly, if you put your affiliate links in the Pinterest pins and something happens with that affiliate program, you can't change those URLs. For example, let's say you are using Travelocity and then you want to switch over to Expedia. All of those Travelocity URLs or affiliate links are dead links. You can't make any changes. So you want to make sure that you are sending people to a blog post, a landing page, or a YouTube video. That's the best way to use Pinterest. Anyway, you can see here there are literally thousands of Pinterest pins. Now, I don't have an eye for design, but if you do, you can use a website like Canva, or you could hire somebody over on Fiverr. That is a great way to go. After this, you can also do best vacation spots. Obviously, people that are looking for the best vacation spots want to stay somewhere. And so you can promote cruises, you can promote hotels, you can promote all-inclusives, lots of opportunities. You can see that this is searched 587,000 times per month, 58,000 keywords. Now, what I've actually been doing, and I kind of exposed this in one of my other YouTube videos, is I've actually been doing this with TikTok and YouTube. I create a video over on TikTok and then I use a software to repurpose it over on YouTube as well. But if we go over to YouTube, hopefully I'll be able to find it really quickly and show you that this is something that you can do. Best vacation spots in Florida, for example. You can see 3.2 thousand views from 3 months ago, only 22,000 subscribers, 1,570 subscribers, 430 views. You can see people are doing this, and you can do this too. You don't have to be a large YouTuber. You don't have to be a genius to do this. So if we take a look, I've actually been doing this as well. I've grabbed the keywords from Ahrefs and I've made quick videos. These are faceless videos, and you guys know how I feel about faceless videos. And in fact, I'm not even talking in these videos at all. I've used ChatGPT to come up with a list of, for example, the best vacation spots in August, and I put together something. It's about 30 to 45 seconds, and I post it. And you can see some of these are getting a decent amount of views. If we take a look at my shorts here, my YouTube shorts, you can see 65 views on some of these. I've only been doing this for about a month and a half, and some of them are getting decent views. For example, best Caribbean vacation island spots, 221 views. Now, what I'm doing is I'm sending people over to a digital product, which I'll talk about in just a moment. But you can do this if you want to give yourself a chance of being more successful, use your face, use your voice, because people want to buy and connect with other people. But this is another great way to go. Another great opportunity is simply to create digital planners, digital journals. For example, you can do travel planners, travel journals, and you can either sell these yourself or you can use a website like Etsy. For example, I'm selling a travel bundle myself for $7. It includes a vacation planner, travel checklist, all sorts of stuff to make people's vacation and travel easier. And then what you can do is you can embed your affiliate link on the back end of these different digital products. Now, if you choose to sell it through Etsy, you can have a thank you page with an affiliate link. Hey, if you want to book your next vacation, use this link, and it can be a link over to Expedia. Now, the way that I'm doing it is I've actually set it up so that when they download their travel planners, they have to log into a membership site, and there's going to be additional resources. One of those resources is an affiliate link to Expedia. This is a really simple way to make money with this affiliate program. The cool thing about this method is you make money both on the front end and back end. So this is an example of the website that I'm using. As you can see, I call my bundle Escape Essentials, and I'm selling it for $7. Included, I have a camping checklist, places traveled map, travel journal, travel packing list, travel planner, or travel checklist. Now, the cool thing with this is you can use free or paid methods with this, make money on the front end, and then you can also make money on the back end with affiliate marketing. But this is one great way that you can earn commissions simply with the Expedia affiliate program. Next, one of the best ways to make money with traveling is with sporting events. For example, starting next week, we've got the 2023 NCAA tournament, also known as March Madness. Hopefully they won't sue me. Anyway, but you can see here, with March Madness, it's basically a tournament that's about a month and a half long, but they're all in these different locations. For example, the first one is in Dayton, Ohio. The second one is in Birmingham, Alabama. Most of the people that are going to attend these events don't live in Birmingham, and so they're going to want to travel. The best way to get in front of these people is to talk about what's coming up. You can talk about the different teams. You can talk about who's winning, the first four out, all sorts of content about sporting events. But it doesn't just obviously have to be about the NCAA tournament. It can be about the NFL, Major League Baseball, which is starting soon, hockey, really any of it. And then you can say, hey, look, if you want to attend the next event, if you want to attend the next Blackhawks game, for example, click the link to book your hotel or book your car rental or whatever it may be. But talking about sports is a great way to promote the Expedia affiliate program. After talking about sports, we can talk to a different type of sport fan. One of the biggest things out there is travel sports. So like travel basketball, AAU, as you can see, travel softball, travel baseball, travel hockey, and you can talk to travel moms. I see this all the time over on TikTok. People are complaining about the cost that's associated with travel sports. And so you could actually be an influencer or content creator talking about your experience as a travel mom. And then you could say something like, if you want to make your stay at least a little bit better, check out my link to book your next hotel. That link goes over to Expedia, and just like that, you earn a commission. But talking to travel moms and travel parents about the woes of travel sports is a great way to get in front of a targeted audience and bond over something. And then you can actually turn that into money as well. Another great way that you can make money is with travel bros. Now, the reason why I singled out travel bros is because people are spending a lot of time talking about it. If you've been on TikTok for longer than 10 minutes, you've probably seen a lot of videos about travel bros. And what you can do as a content creator is you can monetize that situation. You could hop over to TikTok and you could create content talking to travel bros. You could say, hey, these are the best places to stay if you are going over to Brazil to find your significant other. Then you put your link to Expedia so that they can book their flights and their hotels, and just like that, you earn a commission. But you could create lots of content about travel bros and travel gals, if that's a thing, and you can make money. Now, the key with creating content and the key with being successful on social media is you want to look and see what people are already talking about. You don't want to try and make the conversation. You want to try and be a part of the conversation. And that way it's easier to monetize. And again, one of the things that people are talking about are simply travel bros. You put together a checklist for, you could actually use the same checklist for things that they need to take. Obviously, the passport, their wallet, all sorts of stuff. You get them on your mailing list. And then you can say, hey, look, if you're ready to book your flight, go ahead and use this link. It goes over to Expedia. And just like that, you earn a commission. But these are all great ways to make money with the Expedia affiliate program. After Travel Bros, we're going to look at different tips on packing for vacation. You can see this is searched 4.3 thousand times per month, and you can help people. You can see if we look at TikTok, you can see lots of people are looking up vacation tips. This is searched thousands of times per month on TikTok. 34,000 views, 5 million views, 651,000 views. You're simply putting together vacation tips, and then you can put your affiliate link. Now, again, I recommend that you do not link directly over to Expedia. You want to build your mailing list, because if TikTok goes away tomorrow, you can always fall back on your mailing list to continue to bring in money. So if you're going to try and monetize TikTok, the process should be you create content targeted to people that have questions about going on vacation. Then you send them to a landing page where you collect their name and their email. And then on that thank you page, you can actually say, book your next vacation now, and have a link over to Expedia, the Expedia affiliate program. The final way that I want to show you is actually with cheap flights. As you can see, lots of people are asking about cheap flights. And then you can also, once again, put your affiliate link if you're using YouTube, or you can, again, follow up with email marketing. But these are the 10 best ways. There are tons of ways that you can monetize the vacation niche. There are tons of ways that you could monetize the Expedia affiliate program. These are just 10 of the ways that I found that could help you put money into your pockets. Now that you know the 10 best ways to make money with the Expedia affiliate program, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start for your free affiliate marketing planners. Those planners will help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start to download your free planners today. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.